In this video, I'll show you how to download KODI on your smart TV. This is an easy process. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video useful. So if you want to download KODI on your smart TV or any smart TV that you have, and unfortunately for you there is no Google Play Store App Store, then you are going to come to this application as a solution. So download is a nice application I use to download files, media, APKs to my smart TV. If you have downloaded on your smart TV, do not worry. In the description of this video, there is a link there that's going to guide you on getting downloaded to your smart TV. So after getting downloaded on your smart TV, you're just going to launch it, and here's how simple it is. So on the dashboard, you're going to go to the search box, and then in the search box, we're going to quickly type in KODI. So when you type in KODI, you're going to click on Go. Once you click on Go, Downloader is going to show you the various sources on the internet where you can install or download KODI to your smart TV. So as you can see on my screen right now, here are the various options. So this is the KODI application or APK. If you want to get the APK, you will scroll down a little bit. I think this is the application on Google Play Store using our downloader. So if you click on that, it's going to lead you to Google Play Store and can go ahead and install or download the KODI application to your smart TV from downloader. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.